Meaning of infantilism.
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 Infantilism. Infantilism refers to a condition where an adult displays childlike behavioral, emotional, and cognitive patterns. It is essentially an inability or reluctance to mature and take on adult responsibilities. This may manifest in a variety of ways, including a desire for parental figures, thumbsucking, temper tantrums, and an aversion to adult activities such as work or sex. Individuals with infantilism may experience difficulty forming interpersonal relationships, maintaining employment, and achieving independence. Treatment options may include therapy, medication, and behavior modification techniques. Overall, infantilism can significantly impact an individual's quality of life and ability to function in society.